medical office assistant, medical coding and billing, medical transcription, pharmacy technician, child daycare management, physical therapy aide, fitness and nutrition, veterinary assistant, dental